she? I have not seen her before here.
I am new in the city. That's why I don't have any friends.
How beautiful is she? Should I go there?
I wish I could make a new friend here.
Hey, who are you? I think you are new here.
Yes, I am new here. Just a few days ago I came to this city.
Nice. My name is Larry. This is my hometown.
Hi, Larry. It's Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Why did you choose this city?
Well, the reason I came to the city is to study. I heard a lot about the city.
Our city is most popular because of the education.
So, in which college are you studying? Actually, I don't know. Which one should I choose?
Well, we have a college near my house. The college is very famous in the city.
Really? May I have more information about the college?
Yes, of course. Why not? You can search on Google. You will get all the information.
Thank you so much. You helped me a lot.
Oh, no need to say thanks. Would you like to be my friend?
Yes, why not? It would be a pleasure to be your friend.
Really, thanks. My home is just near the road. Please come.
Oh, but next time, I will come. Not today.
Oh, come on. It's a great idea. Because my mom is at home.
Your mom, does she not stay at home on other days?
No, because she works at the office. Usually, she is a very busy person.
Oh, I can understand now. Don't you have siblings?
No, I don't have any siblings. And yours?
Yes, I have. Don't you feel lonely? Your parents also don't stay at home.
That's true. I feel very lonely. They work for me so that I can lead a good life.
Yes, that's correct. My mother is also working in a company.
Oh, I see. Our parents do hard work for us. We have to understand them. Let's go home now.
The food was very delicious. I really liked the food. Thank you.
Oh, I am glad that you like the food. My mother always makes delicious food for me.
By the way, where is your mother? I want to meet her. I can't see her.
She just left for the market. But next time you can meet her. Don't worry.
Could you please tell me a little about the city? As you know, I am new in this city.
Yes, of course. Why not? When it comes to food, my city is a food paradise.
Really? What about the shopping mall? Because I like to do shopping a lot.
Yes, we have lots of big shopping malls here. You can buy all types of clothes.
Well, I need to buy also some clothes. What does your father do?
My father is a company manager. We are not rich, Anna. We lead a very simple life.
Haha, very funny. We are also not rich. We are the same.
What does your father do?
He is no more. Around 2 years ago, in a car accident, he died.
What? I'm sorry to hear that. I couldn't imagine this.
After that, our life became very hard then. Mother started working.
Salute to your mother. I can understand how hard it was for you.
Now tell me, what is your future plan? How is going your study?
Going well, my future plan is to be an engineer. It's my dream. Yours.
Well, my dream is to be a teacher. I really like teaching.
Teaching is a very nice profession. What is your favorite subject?
I really like the math subject. I like to solve problems. Yours?
Really? I don't like math subject. I like English subject. I like English subject a lot.
That's nice. I used to help my friends at my school with math problems.
Oh, will you help me too? I don't understand some math. It seems really hard.
Why not? How many friends do you have?
I had a best friend at my school, but he left the city.
How sad. It's okay. We can be the best friend if you want.
Amazing! I am fortunate to be your friend. How was your school life?
I'd say it was a pretty positive experience. I had some great teachers who really pushed me to succeed.
That's really nice. I also had good teachers in my school. If you don't mind, can I ask you something?
Sure. What question do you have?
Do you have a boyfriend? I hope you don't mind. I am asking as a friend.
Ha ha ha. It's okay. I understand. Yes, I had a boyfriend in the past. Now I am single.
I think at this time we should not be with these relations.
But why? Is there any problem? You can tell me.
No problem, but this time we should focus only study.
I think you are right. Because this time we'll decide how will be our future.
In my school, there was a good student, but after the relationship, his performance was not good.
I agree with you. It can distract. I want to do a part-time job.
That's nice. You can do this. I am also interested.
Okay. We will try to find a job for us. Okay?
Okay, thank you for coming to my home.
It's okay. You have to come to my home.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.